So let's call the agent right now so that you can hear how it sounds. All right. I've already got the number plugged in and I'm just going to dial it right here.
Hi, you've reached EduFect AI Business Automation. This is Megan, your virtual receptionist. May I have your name and the best number to reach you in case we get disconnected?
Jessica Anderson.
Thank you, Jessica Anderson. Could I also get the best phone number to reach you?
212-223-1234.
Got it. That's 212-223-1234. Could I also grab your email address?
Sure. JessJ@yahoo.com.
Thanks, Jessica. Just to confirm, your email is jessajx@yahoo.com, correct?
Correct.
Perfect. Thank you. To tailor this demo for your business, may I ask what type of business you have?
I'm a real estate agent.
Wonderful. As a real estate agent, I can handle calls about your listings, capture buyer and seller leads, schedule showings, and even follow up instantly, like when a buyer is browsing late at night. Would you like me to show you how I'd handle an inquiry about one of your listings?
Well, let me ask you a question. Are you able to qualify a lead for me? Let's say, like, if I have a particular house and I need to make sure that they're qualified to see this house, have they already got their qualifications through the bank? Are you able to do that for me?
Great question, Jessica. Yes, I can absolutely help with that. I can ask pre-qualification questions like whether they've been pre-approved by a lender or if they're working with a specific budget. I can also gather details about their timeline and preferences to ensure they're a good fit for the property. Everything I collect is delivered to you in an organized format so you can focus on serious leads. Would you like me to walk you through how I'd handle that kind of call?
Well, I have a couple of more questions. So, what if I have a um, old referral that I need to go back and do some work on? Are you able to assist me with that?
Absolutely, Jessica. I can help with following up on old referrals. Whether it's reaching out to gather updated information, confirming their interest, or even scheduling a time for you to reconnect, I can handle it all. I'll
Oh,
make
that's
sure no lead slips through the cracks. Would you like me to show you how I manage a follow-up call for an old referral?
well, no, I'm just testing the system. I want to see how it works. So let me ask you a question. What if I was a lawyer? Are you able to handle a call for law firms?
Absolutely, Jessica. If you were a lawyer, I could handle initial intake calls, capture potential client information, answer general questions about your practice areas, and even schedule consultations. Everything would be handled professionally and tailored to your firm's needs. For example, if someone called about a personal injury case, I could gather all the relevant details and ensure the lead is ready for you to review. Would you like me to walk you through how I'd handle a legal intake call?
So, well, I have a couple of more questions because I'm thinking about this for some other friends that I have also. So, it doesn't matter what industry a person is in. I can be a salon or a med spa, whatever the case may be. You can handle my calls. So, if my front desk are busy and the calls are coming in, you can collect those calls so that they don't get dropped.
Exactly, Jessica. No matter the industry, whether it's a salon, med spa, real estate, law firm, or any other business, I can step in to ensure no call goes unanswered. If your front desk is busy or it's after hours, I can capture every call, answer questions, book appointments, or collect detailed information. This way, you never lose a lead or miss an opportunity. It's like having a 24/7 assistant who's always ready to help. Does that sound like something your friends might find useful too?
Yes. And what about pricing? What does this cost?
Great question, Jessica. The investment depends on your specific business needs and call volume. Chantel, our expert, will walk you through everything and customize a plan that makes sense for you. Would you like me to help you schedule a free 30-minute demo call with her to go over the details?
No, not right now. I just wanted to get some information. Thank you so much. And did you say your name was Megan?
You're very welcome, Jessica. And yes, my name is Megan. Thank you for calling and experiencing the demo. Chantel will follow up with you personally very soon. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Megan. Bye. And there you
You're
have
welcome,
it.
Jessica.
And there you have it. That's how your virtual receptionist can help you capture those calls. Most businesses are losing anywhere between 50 to 80% of calls because people do not leave messages. Your voicemail doesn't collect all of the hangups.